Here we are at Samish Bay, beautiful site. PSI is involved in a research project looking at different shellfish growing techniques that are surrounded by different amounts of eelgrass and how they interact with fish and the invertebrate communities. To study the fish, we do a combination of underwater video using GoPro cameras and fish seine. So today I'm going to show you how to do a fish seine. And this is what the fish seine net looks like before it's deployed. Okay, so here we're doing a fish seine, and there's no shellfish gear out here. This is just an eelgrass bed. So we've got two people who are moving into the current, and there's a cod end at the tail end of this net, which is kind of like a pouch that collects everything. So they're going to wait until it's tense, and now everything is going to get collected, and pretty soon they're going to come together. Here, I don't know if you can see the cod end. There's the cod end. And now Andy, kind of like a tube of toothpaste, is going to squish the two sides together and move along. Now the net is weighted, so it's really heavy, and it dragged along the bottom. And now Andy is pinching everything together, and anything that's caught in the net is going to travel down and get trapped in the cod end. And Evie's pulling back a little bit to put some tension on it. And once he gets to the end of the net, the cod end, he's going to scoop everything out. He's going to lift the net, and we're going to place all the contents into a tote that's half full of water. Just so if there's any fish or anything in there, it'll keep them all happy until they get counted and measured. All right. And now we're going to count and measure all the different species that are trapped in the net. Okay, so now they're going to count and measure everything.
Two hip.
A juvenile salmonid.
Oh!
Hard to measure.
It's
about 4.5.
Wow, we got a little salmon in there. Oh, cool. Oh, there's a crab.
Yes, get a picture.
And you measure crab along the back of their carapace.
4.5.
Okay. Be free.
One hip.
Wow, look at all those in there.
One hip.
Oh, that's amazing.
That's a ton.
They're beautiful. Wow. Okay, now they're just counting all the little tiny shrimp-like organisms in there. A couple different species. And that's how you do a fish seine. Pretty nice place to work, huh?